Hello and welcome to my quick quiz on quadratic inequalities. There are 14 questions and you just need a pen and a piece of paper to write down your answers. So let's get started. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Question 11. Question 12. Question 13. Question 14. That's the end of the questions. Let's move on to the answers. Question 1. In order to solve all these inequalities, I've solved them as normal equations and then checked the intervals between the critical points. Checking the critical points of this inequality, we find that x is less than -2 or x is greater than 2. Question 2. The critical points of this inequality are plus and -3. Checking a number that's smaller than -3, that's in between -3 and 3, and one that's greater than 3, we find that the inequality is -3 is less than x is less than 3. Question 3. The critical points of this inequality are plus and -11. We get x is less than or equal to -11, or x is greater than or equal to +11. Question 4. The critical points of this inequality are plus and -6. Checking the intervals in between them, we get x is less than -6 or x is greater than 6. Question 5. The critical points of this inequality are x is plus or -3. Checking in between them, we get x is less than -3 or x is greater than +3. Question 6. Checking in between the critical points of this inequality, we get x is less than -13 or x is greater than +13. Question 7. Checking the intervals in between the critical points in this inequality, we get x is less than -7 or x is greater than +7. Question 8. Solving this inequality as an equation, we get x equals -1 or x equals -4. Checking in between these critical values, we get x is less than or equal to -4 or x is greater than or equal to -1. Question 9. Checking in between the critical values of x is 2 or x is 8, we get x is greater than 2 and x is less than 8. Question 10. Checking in between the critical values of x is 1 or x is 2, we get x is greater than 1 and x is less than 2. Question 11. The critical values are -2 and -3, and checking in between them, we get x is less than -3 or x is greater than -2. Question 12. Checking in between the critical values of -5 and -3, we get x is less than or equal to -5, or x is greater than or equal to -3. Question 13. The critical values are -4 and 0. Checking in between them, we get x is less than -4 or x is greater than 0. Question 14. Solving this inequality, we get x is greater than or equal to 3 and x is less than or equal to 4. Well, that's the end of my quick quiz on quadratic inequalities. I hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you'll come again soon, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!